In the quiet town of Bethany, grief hangs heavy in the air. Martha stands at her door, heartbroken, as whispers of sorrow fill the streets. Her brother Lazarus is gone, and the weight of loss is unbearable. When Jesus arrives, hope flickers in her heart. "If you had been here," she cries, "my brother would not have died." Yet Jesus responds with a promise: "Your brother will rise again." Martha knows the teachings, but the pain is real. "Yes, Lord, I believe," she replies through tears, clinging to faith amidst despair. Mary, overcome with grief, echoes her sister's words, and Jesus, moved by their sorrow, asks where Lazarus lies. At the tomb, silence envelops the crowd. Jesus, filled with compassion, commands the stone to be rolled away, despite Martha's fears of decay. "Did I not say that if you believe, you will see the glory of God?" His voice resonates with authority. Then, with a powerful call, "Lazarus, come forth." The crowd gasps as the figure emerges, bound in grave clothes, alive once more. Astonishment turns to joy, and in that moment, faith triumphs over death.